मॉर्निंग गाइस। सो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं फॉर अ बोट राइड जो हमें कुछ आइलैंड्स पे लेके जाएगी, कुछ रॉक्स दिखाएगी और मे बी डॉल्फिन आल्सो हम लोग देख पाए। सो एंड व्हेन आई से हम तो इट्स मी एंड यू गाइस, इट्स ऑलवेज दैट। तो यस, और देखो कितना पास है यहाँ से एक्चुअली। दिस इज़ द बीच और मैं जस्ट लाइक अभी मैंने 20 सेकेंड्स ही वॉक किया है तो एंड आई हैव रीच्ड हियर, सो इट्स वेरी नियर बाय। अभी यहाँ पे जाके पूछती हूँ फॉर द बोट राइड। 1,000 rupees are the charges that they actually charge for the ride, but let's see if I can negotiate. I'm not that good negotiator. Yeah, let's try. Look at this. So this is the boat that we are going with, and we have put on our uh, life jacket. And now when I'm saying we, there are some people with me, the ladies who are actually from our hostel only. So yeah. So right now we are at Butterfly Beach, and I had heard that it's not the same like how it was earlier, but today I have seen it. It's not at all same. Everywhere there is a trash. If you can see behind me, also there is a trash. So they have enabled this boating option here, so people come by boat, and it's more accessible now. So obviously, if there is access to humans, it's going to be trash only. So it's like that right now. Everywhere there is a trash. Earlier the option was only trekking. You have to trek and you have to come here. So there were limited people who actually reached here and they enjoyed the beauty of it. So whoever have done it, I am literally jealous of you guys that you got to actually experience beauty of it. We did not. And by the way, there is a cricket noise also. It's pretty therapeutic. It's very loud. And the eagles are actually hunting. I don't know if it is visible to you or not. There are so many eagles right now here. Here also if you see. So now I'm going for breakfast, and I hopefully will find someone somewhere peaceful, because I want to attend my office call also. I don't have a leave today. I have to work. So yeah, I have to look for the place where I can sit and attend call. And yeah, the plan is to attend the office until 3 p.m, 3:30 p.m or something, and then maybe I will take a half day off. And there is one roommate, a guy uh, who can actually take me somewhere in the South Goa. I can't ride a bike, I haven't since long. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see. So I have come to this restaurant, Cuba, which is pure veg also, and I have started my work. let's see, there is this one restaurant Thali Ghar which is quite famous here. So I'm thinking I will go there for the lunch. But yeah, let's see. I have not yet decided that what I will do. Uh, right now, I just want to have a proper breakfast, and then after some call or something, I will decide for lunch. The other thing which I wanted to highlight is that it was not as great as what I had thought about Palolem, because it's becoming kind of North Goa only. It's becoming very much, uh, you know, commercial. There are so many shops and so many people who are visiting right now here. So I guess it's okay, wala thing. I don't think so. You should come here if you want peaceful vibe and everything. Maybe you can try to visit some other beaches who are more secluded and quiet. But yeah, it's not that worth. So we are right now at Galji Baga beach, or this is something like secluded beach than the Palolem one. So there are some like guitar fish, which is a preserved fish and endangered species uh, that is actually found here. I'm not sure we will be able to see it, but yeah, just for information.
सवारी मुझको तले